In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GitHub workflow in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process of creating a workflow on GitHub. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the GitHub website, open your preferred web browser and type in github.com in the address bar. Once you're on the page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. GitHub is a platform revered for its powerful collaboration features and repository hosting, so having a sense of the environment will be beneficial as we proceed. Now once you're at the GitHub homepage, you'll see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on that. If you're not yet logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If this is your first time here, you'll want to create an account by following the straightforward prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the GitHub dashboard. This is your personal overview of all projects, issues, pull requests, and more. From the dashboard, your next step is to find and click on the Actions tab. This is where all the GitHub magic happens concerning workflows. The Actions feature in GitHub allows you to automate, customize, and execute software development workflows right in your repository. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your processes significantly. Now that you're in the Actions section, go ahead and click on New Workflow. The New Workflow option is your gateway to setting up a wide variety of workflows using pre-configured templates or designing your own from scratch. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for any automation you might need. After clicking New Workflow, the system will present you with several templates. But for now, let's focus on how you can initiate your own by clicking on Configure. This Configure button allows you to modify existing templates to suit your specific needs, or to kick off creating an entirely new workflow setup. That's it, you're well on your way to mastering GitHub workflows. Remember, workflows are vital for automating tasks such as testing code, pushing updates, or deploying code, making your life easier and your projects more efficient. Experiment with the configurations, learn what works best for your tasks, and don't be afraid to explore further into GitHub's vast array of capabilities. By following these simple steps, you've just taken a significant step toward more efficient project management. Thank you for watching this video, and happy coding with GitHub.